In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best rayban discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for rayban discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with extra 50% discount off your next purchase, all you need to do is simply select this offer right here, and this is the promo code. You can simply tap copy right here, and you can copy this promo code and apply it on your next purchase to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailmenow.com, and as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. For example, if you want to get this one with $10 discount off site-wide, all you need to do is simply select this promotion right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.